to the Boyster Miniman YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing monster truck backflips. Back again, this time in my room. My dad was nice enough to bring up my tote of monster trucks, which are right here. See if you can see. They're under the there. If you saw the top of it, you could have. But first, I just want to give a shout out, not to a person who's like answered the question of the video. But we're gonna get to that right now. The answer to the last question. The question in the last question of the video was what the tallest Giga roller coaster was, and that is Fury 325 with and fun fact. Well, I'm gonna do the height and speed. Top speed of 95 miles per hour and a height of 325 feet, and that's why it's called Fury 325. But I want to give a shout out to Bella Hassinger. I don't know if you can see that. Let me back it up. There. Bella Hassinger. This is a YouTube channel on YouTube, and it is spelled correctly. You can check it out if you want. Make sure you even subscribe. And she actually did a shout-out video for me as well. And she did write it on a piece of paper, like that. And, but right now, we are going to get into the video. But just a reminder, my dad put all of the monster trucks, like, that did that freestyle thing back in the bin. So, like, if you see, any monster trucks that I've already done, now, I do have a different thing, though. So, but if you do see monster trucks that I've already done, I'm sorry, because, I don't remember if I did them or not, and I will do the Silver Series again, I might even do the Silver Series again, but no more dilly-dallying, and let's get right into our Monster Truck Backflips Season 2, Part 2. But first, I just want to show you something that, I really want you to see. Boom! That's my Halloween costume. It's supposed to be a cat. Here, let me show you the head. There's the head. We actually made that out of an old McDonald's toy. Well, the eyes are made out of an old out of McDonald's toy. It's actually made out of one of the Optimus Prime glasses. But for real, no more dilly-dallying. Let's get straight into our video. And I will be doing an announcer voice for this. And we are here on a Monster Truck Backflip Season 2, Part 2. And our first truck that is going to attempt the backflip is Yellow Edge Glow Bounty Hunter. Now, this is a new truck from the thing. But let's get straight into it. And you know the drill. 2 chances. Here goes Bounty Hunter's first attempt. Oh, Bounty Hunter. Second attempt. Oh, so close. Oh, sorry. There. Okay. He hit the camera. That's fine. And, we have our next truck. And that is the 25th anniversary Gravedigger. And, 25th anniversary Gravedigger. 2 attempts on the backflip. Oh, that's his first attempt. Oh, and he almost landed a double that Gravedigger. Gotta go where Bounty Hunter is. Next up is Excalibur. First attempt. Fail. Second attempt. Oh, he does it! Our first win! Oh yeah, and I'm actually recording this at 11 o'clock. But back to the announcer. And our next truck is Captain America. Oh my, that was a bad run. That was a bad attempt. Oh, and he was so close. And your next truck is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. First attempt. Win. Oh, and these mud treads, I forgot. Oh, no, the bad attempt. And we got Brutus next. This Brutus. Oh, yeah, and if you hear that, that's Bear.
Sorry, kitties, you can't come in.
But here comes Brutus. Oh, his first attempt is a fail. His second attempt is a fail. And now it's time for the encore. The Silver Series. Here we go. The Silver Series is back, folks. Now remember, they always get 2 attempts. First up is the Silver El Toro logo. First attempt. Fail. Second attempt. Win. That is the first competitor of the Silver Series. Now we have the Silver Gravedigger. First attempt is a fail. Second attempt is a fail. Oh, Gravedigger. I expected more than you. And next up is the Silver Avenger. Yeah. Oh. Fail. First attempt. Oh, fail second attempt. I expected more. Next up is the Mohawk Warrior. Fail. Oh, really close. And finally, we have the Silver Max D. His first attempt, oh, that was bad. Second attempt, oh, and he lands something cool. Oh, and that's just very good.
What are you doing?
Here, I'll let him in. Okay, and that is it for the Monster Truck backflips. And I'm going to let Bear in now. So he can, here. I'm going to let Bear. So, sorry. I want to let him in because I want to. Here. Come in. Okay, and this is Bear. He is my cat. I'm just showing you the world. I'm talking to him. And yeah, like I said, this is my cat. Now he is pretty mean. But I'm going to let him come in because he wants to. But he has pooped in here before, so hopefully he doesn't do that. I'm cleaning up my trucks, but for now, I will see you all next time. Make sure to... Sorry, wait, not yet. Gotta do the question of the video. What is the shortest Giga Coaster? The shortest Giga Coaster. Okay, but now, make sure to give this video a big fat like, a big fat comment, and make sure to give the channel a big fat subscribation and a big fat notification turn on nation. And I will see you all next time. Bye. Bye-bye. See ya. Oh.